Wednesday, May 13th. I have finished installing braidlocs. I am starting a braidloc journey. I have been natural for the past 7 years, 8 years maybe, and I decided that just on a whim, I'm like, yeah, well, we're gonna do this. We're going to start this journey, and we'll see where it leads us. Um, so a little story of how these locks got started. Just sitting around the living room, made a decision to do it, went, looked around, and found somebody for a decent price. Well, it ended up being a complete nightmare and only got half my head done. And I had to finish the whole front of my hair myself, which I should have done in the first place. I don't know why I was so afraid. Excuse the lighting. I don't even know what's a good I'm sitting outside in my hammock, getting some vitamin D in this quarantine. Can't do anything anyway. So, that's where I'm at. I haven't counted how many I have. I'm just happy to be done. I look like a plucked chicken. So we'll see where this goes. I will not be editing. I really don't feel like it. But I just do want to be out here